I believe the greatest threat to America and our way of life is the incredible debt that we have accumulated. I think it leaves us vulnerable in so many different ways, whether we're talking about a national defense issue or whether we're talking financially, competitively around the world. We've got to do everything we can to turn that around. I decided to run for office because of the state of our country and where I saw things going. I was very concerned about the path that President Obama had our country on. I talk to small business owners every day. The uncertainty that they're faced with, not knowing what's coming, not knowing if their taxes are going to go up, not knowing if more regulation is going to tie their hands. They need to be given some certainty so that they can be investing in their own businesses, so that they can be creating jobs. This is what we need to do so that we can turn this economy around for our children. I'm Renee Elmers, and I approve this message.